Hi, and welcome to our final project. My name is Divya, and my partner Nithin will chime in later. For our project, we decided to make an app to meet friends. We made this because while there are a lot of dating apps out there, there aren't many apps that help you meet and connect with new friends. Our app is currently just a mock-up, so we have some pre-created profiles to show how the app works. So let's get into it. We start here on the main screen, and if we hit login, we can enter in a username that we've already created. In this case, it's dog lover, and the password is 12354. So if we hit login, it'll take us to this screen, which shows us our best current match. So right now, dog lover's best match is Freak Powell's, and Freak Powell's username is corgilover23. You'll notice a lot of dog-themed things throughout our project. So if we hit the home button, it takes us back to this screen. So now let's create a profile together and sign up. So you'll notice that here there are some limitations to what you can enter for your username and password. The limitation is that it has to be 5 or more characters. So let's try entering in something that would be invalid. For example, dog, only 3 characters. And we can put in the password hello, and for verified password we can put in hello. Verified password is just to check that you entered in the password correctly. So if we hit sign up, an invalid window will pop up, essentially telling us that the username or password is invalid, and we need to click outside the window to try again. So now let's also try entering in something like Divya. Divya is valid, but if we enter in a password like hi, that's invalid. Hi, and sign up, and the invalid window pops up again. Now one more check. Let's say Divya is fine. Let's say we put in hello for the password, and for the verified password we put in goodbye. If we hit sign up, again the invalid window. So now let's do something that's actually valid. I'm going to put in Nithin because he's going to take over, and we can keep the password as hello, and let's change verified password to hello as well. And if we hit sign up, we go to this new screen. Now before I hand it over to Nithin, just to clarify what I did for this project, I focused mainly on the UI and coding for the survey questions, which you'll see soon. And yeah, that's what I did. So I'll hand it over to Nithin.
Thanks, Divya. So our first page is just background information. I'm going to try to go a little bit quick with this. So my name, Nithin, my gender, which I like that we actually took the time with this. We offer multiple options, so you can put male, female, or any gender you like. So I'll put male. My phone number, I'll just put something in there. Okay, and then let's go to the first question. The first question, how talkative are you with your friends? I'll say somewhat. Next one, how much of your day do you spend alone? I'll say about half. And then, which of the following is close to your Friday night? I'll say going out with friends and eating. So our first 3 questions are more designed to get some personality traits, specifically if you are an introvert or an extrovert. So now next we have when do you go outside? I'll say when the weather is nice. And how often do you exercise a week? I'll say almost every day. So those 2 questions are really designed to figure out how active you are. So next we have, are you pessimistic or optimistic? I'll say optimistic. Are you laid back or stressed? I'll say laid back. And are you more tired or energetic? I'll say tired. And sweet or savory, I've got a sweet tooth. So those last 4 questions are really trying to figure out some character traits within you. So now here we are, and this was one of my main responsibilities, which was the API call. As you can see, there is a dog, and that is our API. So we're calling random dogs each time. So you might get this picture, maybe you'll get, as we talked about, corgis, which we love corgis, or golden retrievers. It always differs based on your registration. So next we will see your match. Our match is Odrin Barone. I know, great name. And the username dogs are good. Once again, we like dogs, and dogs are prevalent. And as you can see, gender fluid would be the gender. Um, so now as we go back, we are going to log in. So let's put in the username. And oh, see, it caught me for putting in the wrong password. So let's just fix that. And here we go. Here's my match, Odrin Barone, as we've seen before. So we created some users that we loaded before any code was really done. And these are going to be the ones you're going to be matching with. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to create a database. So if we had more time, an idea we'd like to implement was a text file that stores all the users. But for now, it's just what we have, and we can't really add to that currently. Also, unfortunately, we weren't able to use an API called Tradeify, and we were trying to use this because it's a much easier and takes into account more things in the survey. But Tradeify would not get back to us when we contacted them, and unfortunately, we weren't able to get the key. So that's all we have for today. I just wanted to thank you for me and for Divya for listening, and hopefully you enjoyed our final project.